Hey guys, it's I don't know when it is. October 2nd, I think. I lost track of time. Anyways, I'm still in Ucluelet. I was actually going to leave this morning, and then the sun came out somewhere behind me. I've just been walking, or yesterday I came out this way and I walked around the lighthouse trail, and I'm convinced it's probably one of the most amazing hiking trails in all of Canada, in all honesty. And so, like I said, I was going to leave yesterday, but then it was very foggy yesterday, and then the sun came out today. And as you can see, I got like blue skies, and so I came back out to the trail to hike the trail again because of how amazing it is. And I noticed that my reception isn't too bad right now, so I thought I would just share some of the Pacific Ocean. So I'm just going to reverse this. Anyways, that's pretty cool. I see my mother's watching. Hi, Mom. Oh, big wave. Crash. Oh, Cycling Polly asks, where am I? I'm in Ucluelet. I think that's how you pronounce it. Vancouver Island. It's unbelievably amazing here. There's the lighthouse over there. You can see it right there. But this is the view that you want to be seeing right here. Hey, I got a hey from Marlene in Trenton, Ontario. Am I heading down the 101 highway? Yeah, I guess that's the Pacific Coast in the U.S., Washington, Oregon. Yes, I will be. Basically, I'll be heading along the coast all the way to San Francisco. And then I'll go east to Yosemite and down to Death Valley and then into probably Utah. And then Grand Canyon and then Joshua Tree to San Diego. That'll be my American route. Well, Marlene, I highly suggest you come to BC, in particular Vancouver Island. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Oh, St. Catharines. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just scrolling through this, like some comments. Okay, so cycling pulling, you're from St. Catharines. Okay. Well, I'm from Grimsby, so we're practically neighbors, or were at one time. And now I live on my bike. But anyways, I came out here yesterday. Like I said, it was foggy. I actually took over 400 photos yesterday. And as if that wasn't enough photos, I came out here again today. I think since I've gotten to the Pacific side of Vancouver Island, I actually honestly think I've taken close to 2,000 photos from Cathedral Grove all the way to Tofino. Anyways, I thought I would share that. So while I finish off, I'll have it in the distance. Yeah, so not a bad way to spend the day. Just thought I would share that with you guys. And yeah, I mean, you can always watch it over and over and over and over again if you want to see more of that footage. So I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, I got Doris and Hanson Spence. Yes, Doris, I remember you guys coming into the truck stop in Olac, New Brunswick, shortly after, I guess, would that be the second week of January? I've never forgotten that about you guys coming around the corner and having a chat. And Marlene's asking if I can swim in that water. Well, you can go ahead and try. I don't like to get my head wet, so yeah, I don't think I'll be going in there anytime soon. Now that being said, the Pacific Coast is famous for its surfing, so there are beaches further west from where I am, tons of beaches, and it's kind of surf central. This is pretty much in Canada where you come to go surfing, because as you can imagine with the wave action, there's probably some pretty decent surfing. A couple days ago I was watching a bunch of people surf, but yeah, this is surf central. Every other business, every other shop is surf related. Oh, my mom is saying the PI water is much warmer. I'm sure PI water is much warmer, but like I said, I don't like to get my head wet, so some big waves are coming in. You can only imagine what this place is like when the storm hits, or when the storms, plural. But anyways, I will. Yeah, hey Ed. Yeah, I met Ed in Uniacke, Mount Uniacke, Nova Scotia. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'll sign it off here. And like I said, you're welcome to rewatch it over and over again if you want to see those waves. Later.